This video is only for age 7 to age 8. And let's start. This is about word problems and I'm only at 16. There were 30 people on the bus. 8 people got off the train. 6 station and 6 people got off the hospital. How many people are still in the bus? Before we do the answer, we need to write the formula. And also, we need to underline got off.
Okay, why you need to underline got off?
Because got off means minus.
Okay.
30 minus 14 equals 16. And here's our answer.
Can we explain to your friends how you get this 14?
There was 8 people got off the train and 6 people got off in the hospital. And we know that 8 plus 6 is 14. And we also know that 14 plus 16 is 30. And it's like 30 minus 14 is 16. Guys, let's do the second question. 19 sparrows were sitting on the fence. 5 of them flew away. Then Ben sat nearby. 4 of them flew away. Then he got up and walked away. How many swabs are still on Ben's fence? Guys, my cuties also want to join our maths class. I will tell them their names. This name is Fatty. This name is Ducky. Her name is Catty. And also, they're the twins. His name is also Quacky. His name is Cutie. Well, that's the same of all. And his name is Turtley. One. Ooh. Okay, just make them watch. Get out here. Okay, 19. Now we have to underline flew away. Flew away means minus. 19 take away 9 equals 10. And that's our answer.
Can you explain how that 9 came to your friends?
Because 4 plus 5 is 9. And then there was a 10.
Yes, good.
When I grow up, I want to be the famous one. Goodbye. Return the pages, please. Wow, I want to be so genius and working hard. And I'm only at reception. And when I go to year 2, I want a name in my road, Lucian. And if I want to have a name in Lucian, then I have to study hard. Who's doing the next question with me? I am. This looks to be a hard one. I'm not very good at doing that. As I will try. I had 35 baseball cards in my backpack. This morning, I gave 10 to my friends, Bill, and then I lost 8 today. How many cards remain in my backpack? And we need to, and as I want to try to underline which one to underline the answer in here. That is my takeaway. I think it's this one. And if you said I lost, you got it right. And if I lost means take away. 35. Let's do it in a proper way. Let's do another way. 35 minus 10 minus 8. 7? Yeah! And if we said 7, it's the right answer. Guys, you can just watch whatever you like I'm doing. Minus 8 equals 35 minus 10 is 25, and 25 minus 18 equals 7.
No, it's not 18, isn't it? 8.
8. Okay, I'm not sure.
25 minus 8.
25 minus 8 equals 17.
Yes.
Totally, you forgot to down 10. I meant a 1. And the answer is 17. Now for the next one. Oh, I want to do this one. Okay, only one can do it. Dedicated for you. You had 20 chocolate bars. You give 6 to your brother and also give 6 to your sister. How many bars do you have left? You gave is a minus word. Take away. You gave means take away. 20 minus 6 equals 8. And the answer is 8. We're nearly there. Vicky had 50 strawberries in the kitchen. She ate 9 yesterday and 8 today. How many strawberries does she have left? 32. She ate.
Yes, 8.
Wow.
She ate
She
9.
ate 9 yesterday and 8 today. How many strawberries does she have left? 50. Take away 9. It's not 32, it's 43.
Oh, okay, let's see.
Take away 8 equals 33. And the answer is 33. Yay! I want to be genius and get a name in Lucian. Guys, now everyone knows how to do minus. See you later. At the end, I had made lots of videos and my dad just setting up them. Bye guys. See you next time.